Culture Free Self-Esteem Inventory. Hi friends, today we seen about adolescent student response form. It is the Culture Free Self-Esteem Inventory. In this video, we seen about how to scoring and how to mark in the subject data and group data. All the details we see in this video. In this Culture Free Self-Esteem Inventory contain 66 questions. Usually it is a 66 question, but in this form it is a 67. So you omit this 67 because only the 60 up to 66 only score is there. After answering this is the yes or no type questions. After answering this, you give scores to the each questions. How to score is, you remember this formula. It is the square and the circle box. In each questions there is a square and a circle alternatively given. Okay, how to score this square and circle is, in square box it is a positive response question. Okay, if in positive response question, if you tick yes, it will be a 1 mark. If you answer positive question as no, it will be 0. Like that, in negative, if you in square, in circle, if you yes in the first tick, it will be 0. If you answer is no, it will be 1. Like that you answer these questions. After that, divided into 5 dimension. Okay, academic, these are the questions is in the academic. Okay, general, like that you answer and divide the score. Okay, put the score in my box. After calculating, you put the score in the subjective data. In my score in academic is 8. In my score in general it is 9. Like that you put it. After you find out the standard score. How to find the standard score means, my raw score is 8. So you take this column. In academic my score is 8. So standard score is 11. I put the 11. 11 is in come under 8 to 12 is the average self-esteem. It is the descriptive ratings. So I put average self-esteem in the descriptive rating. Another one example, in general my raw score is 9. You find out the standard score. In the tabular column, in general my score is 9, standard score is 10. So I put 10 in the standard score. 10 it comes under 8 to 12 standard score ratings. It is the average self-esteem. So I put average. Like that you put in the subjective data. After putting all these answers, in defensiveness it is indicate that it is recommend cutoff score 4 out of 8. Okay, you just put your score. There is no adding with other data. Okay, just you putting the score in the defensiveness. That's all is enough. Okay, next you find out the global score. Okay, global self-esteem quotient. Okay, in raw score you add in the raw score all. Example, my raw score is in each dimension. I put it here and adding it will be 43. Like that you add in the standard score separately and adding. My answer is 49. Okay, I put it in the raw score and standard score. It will be in the descriptive rating is average self-esteem. In this, after putting this score in this table is important for another one findings. My global score is 49. Standard score is 49. Okay, in 49 you find out the descriptive rating by 49 is which come under in which scale, which quotient you find out that. In my 49 is comes 98 quotient. Okay, 98, it is the sum of 5 subscale. It means that 1 2 3 4 5, it is indicate that 5 sum of subscale. Okay, 98 quotient. Okay, 98 quotient is comes under rating of 90 to 110. Okay, 90 to 110 is average self-esteem, so I put average self-esteem is here. This is the method to put the subjective data. In group data is same like that. If your group member is 10, you put like this and calculate that. Okay, after you putting all the things in the group data, after you putting all in the group data, you find out the mean. Okay, in raw score you find out the mean 867. You already know that how to find out the mean. If you find the women's score will be 5 members in the female. Okay, so adding this 5 and divided by 5, it will be 8. Okay, like that you find out the mean. After mean, you find out the standard score for 8. You already know that how to find out. In this, in academic 8, standard score is 11. Then put the 11 is here. Like that you find out the standard score. Don't take mean for standard score. You find out the score for mean for raw score and find out this standard score for this raw score. Okay, this is comes under average self-esteem. Like that you find out same as in the global score also, same as this, use this formula. Okay friends, I hope you understand that. Any doubt please ask in the comment box. I will answer it. Okay friends, thank you.